Hello students and aspirants. In this video, I will teach you rule number 18. This rule number 18 is about there is some words. The words pronunciations are similar but the meaning of the words are different. Look at this difference between noun and verb for similar sounding words. Advice. ADVICE advice. This advice is noun. ADVISC. This advice is verb. VICE. ADVICE noun. ADVISC verb. This advice is verb. Practice. PRACTICE. Practice noun. Practice. PRACTISC. Practice is verb. Activity. Practice. PRACTISC. Belief. 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 Noun. BELIEVE. Believe. Verb. We see some example based on that. I believe my students. Verb. Believe. Here this believe denote verb. BELIEVE. Believe. It is my belief that my students are very talented. It is my belief. Belief noun. He gave me a piece of advice. ADVICE advice. Noun. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. This practice is noun. I am quite good at tennis but I need to practice my serve. Practice. PRACTISE. Practice. Verb. I advise you to practice a lot since practice makes a man perfect. Here ADVISE. This advice denotes verb and practice V1 verb. Practice PRATISE. This practice denotes verb. A lot since this practice denotes noun. PRACTICE. Students, you should learn more words like similar pronunciation and different meaning words. These words advice, practice, belief, these all are asked in many times in exam. But you should learn more words like that. Okay. In the next video, I will teach you the next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.